So we're gonna go 1, 2, boom, boom. Go left kick, fake, switch, then left elbow. Looking out like Petch is doing, he's just touching with his lead glove. Hi there, I'm Adrian Shead and this is Petchpanomrung. We're in Vancouver, Canada at Muay Thai Academy. Okay, we're gonna slowly break down a combination for you that Petch likes to use and what we like to teach here at the Academy. So let's start with this one first. We go nice and slow. So we're gonna go 1, 2, boom, boom. Go left kick. Then now he's gonna fake the left kick, up, step in right knee, falling into a left elbow, okay? So 1, 2, up, up, yeah. Fake, switch, then left elbow, okay? Remember guys, when you're faking, there's a certain demeanor in your face. So when Petch is kicking, he's got a certain demeanor, like he wants to hurt you. So when you fake it, everything has to be the same. You have to keep the same demeanor in your face all the time. Okay, so we go here, again, nice and slow, boom, boom, and then he fakes it, switch knee, left elbow. Okay, now we're gonna speed it up. So we're gonna go, ham-way, sham-way, hey, up, hey, hey. Good, nice. And up, ham-way, sham-way, up, see up, see up. Nice, go one more. Hey, up, hey, hey. And then back. Okay, perfect. Okay, now we're gonna switch it around. We're gonna go on this side. So you can see it from the different angle here. So same again, 1, 2, bop, 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 good. Yo, switch, switch. And then hands up all the time. And when you're backing out like Petch is doing, he's just touching with his lead glove to find the range, okay? We do it nice and fast. Oh, and one other thing, Petch's foot, we don't have it flat on the floor, we have it turned in, and it's always tense, ready to go, okay? And this will increase the speed of the kick. Okay, we go nice and fast. Good, and we're touching. One more time. Nice. And that's one of our favorite combos that we like to use here at the Academy. If you'd like to follow us, me and Petch, then you can follow us on the Instagram, Muay Thai Academy _ Petchpanomrung and Adrian Shead.